Social Science, Grade 8, Block 14, Understanding Secularism, LP4, Secularism in Other Countries, by teacher Shikha. Students will be able to analyze how the ideals of secularism varies from one country to another. Children, a small recap. So far we have covered why a democratic country should be secular and not allow one religious community to dominate over another or interfere with the religious views of others. In the democratic country, the secular state grants religious freedom to people. So, children, in simple question, what did we learn about secularism up till now? Secularism means that the state and religion are separated. It does not interfere with the religious beliefs of people. In a secular country, people have the freedom to practice their religion freely. There is no official religion in the state, and laws that are passed by the state are not based on religion. So, children, what does secularism mean in India? In India, secularism means that there is no official religion in our country and the state does not interfere with the religious beliefs of people unless in exceptional cases like banning untouchability. It also does not recognize the superiority of one religion over any other. It maintains a distance from religious matters and is tolerant towards all religions. It treats all religions equally and respects all religions. People are free to practice, profess, or propagate their own religion. No religious instructions can be imparted in government schools, colleges, or offices. People can change their religion if they choose and wear their religious symbols. Whereas in the United States, the church is separate from the state and the legislature is not allowed to make laws that favor a religion. In other words, there is no official religion in the US because the state does not give preference to one religion. The government is not allowed to make laws based on any religion, and the government itself cannot be based on any religion. All religions are treated equally and protected by the law. Another example of France. In France, too, religion is separate from the state, which means there is no official religion in France. This is similar to the secular ideals practiced in the US and India. The state does not give preference to one religion, though a majority of people in the US and France is Christian. Now, let's discuss how secularism in France is different from India. Unlike in India, French law does not allow people to wear religious symbols of laws would otherwise prohibit people to wear them. Take the case of Salma in your content book, the case study, who is allowed to wear a head scarf in India today. If Salma lived in France and there was a rule against covering one's head in school, Salma would not be allowed to wear her headscarf even if it was an important religious symbol for her. Therefore, Salma, who is allowed to wear headscarves to school in India, would not be allowed to do so if she lived in France today. Children, let's talk more about India and try to understand more about India's. The Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights that are based on secular ideals to ensure that our religious rights are not violated. We not only need constitutional measures but also awareness among people to be tolerant towards and respect each other's religion. We respect each other's religion in India. Children, just check this chart. According to this chart, it will be very easy to understand the difference and similarities between India, United States, and France. These three examples which I have shared. India secular, US secular, France secular. No official religion, no official religion. Last point, India partial interference to end evil practice. United States non-interference. France interference to ban religious symbols. Children, please read the content book, try to solve your worksheet on your own, and please mark the difficulties and we will discuss it during our online class sessions. Have a great day ahead. Take care of your near and dear ones. Be safe. Bye bye.